Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I'm IamNikkiNecole. How is everyone doing? It is December 1st. It is the start of Vlogmas. I haven't been posting, you guys. I haven't really been feeling that good. And plus, my son came down for Thanksgiving, so I really haven't had time to really pick up the camera. And again, I just really haven't been feeling that good. I don't know exactly what's going on. It's not really like a cold. I just really feel tired, exhausted, maybe because I work so much. I don't know. But anyway, today is December 1st. It is the start of Vlogmas. I don't know if I'm going to be recording every single day, but I am going to try to get some kind of Vlogmas content out. I'm getting ready to decorate. Right now I'm going to decorate my bathroom and my bedroom with some Christmas decor. I want to show you guys what I've been picking up, and then we're going to decorate. So stay along for the ride. All right, see y'all in a bit. And so let's start off with the bathroom. So you can see right here, this is what it's supposed to look like. But I got this cute shower curtain bath set, 15-piece bath set from Burlington. Comes with 2 green rugs. This is a shower curtain, and it comes with the shower hooks. Then I also seen this while I was in there. I was like, I could put this on my bathroom sink. I don't know, maybe throw jewelry, earrings, I don't know, something. But I thought it was cute. Then I found these towels, hand towels, and I said, isn't that cute? So I'm gonna use these, and then I bought some regular white towels to put up under it. So that is for the bathroom. Let me show you how I'm gonna do the bedroom. Just the bed. I got a lot of mess outside of this bed that needs to be cleared out and cleaned up, but we're gonna do the bed. So I got this Christmas tree pillow to put on my bed. I got that from Burlington as well. I got the Christmas tree sheets, which I thought is so cute. It's just the trim is around the pillowcases as far as I can see, but I think it was cute, and they were only $20. I was on Amazon looking for Christmas sheets and things. It was like $50 and up. So I have that. Oh, I got one more thing. Hold on. I have this throw. I bought me a big white, I got the sheets, and I bought me a white comforter, and then I'm going to use this as just like a throw to put on the bed. So everything kind of matches with the Christmas tree. How y'all feeling? Let me know. But yeah, I'm excited. So let's get in to putting up these few decorations and get into the Christmas spirit. It's December the 1st, okay? All right. But we're going to put this up now. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. Something simple. Put that there. So yeah, I got a small bathroom, so it is what it is. Put this little mirror in, clean that mirror off. But yeah, I have a small bathroom, so I have the little potpourri sitting there. So this is what it's looking like. That's the shower curtain. That's the little towels, the little green rug, one here, one there, and then I just put my bracelets in here. And yeah, that's it. Small bathroom, but I think it's cute for now, for the holidays. So yeah, hopefully I got a good angle, you guys. I don't know. But yeah. Christmas tree. My pillowcases was, I need to get some king size because these are obviously not king size pillow, but that's little Christmas trees on it. It comes with the little furry things, but we need to get some king size pillows. Well, I need to get some king size pillows. And yeah, but this is, it's cute. I'm taking them pictures down. I have some new pictures, but I gotta get some frames to put in there to put the prints inside the frame. But yeah, I'm feeling it. It matches the bathroom. So yeah, it's kind of hard to give y'all a view, but I'm liking it. It's so cute. For my girl, Roro, she said, I say he's so cute all the time, but that's my favorite word, but yeah, I like it. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. All right, you guys, that's it. Like I said, I definitely need to get some bigger pillows. I will probably go out tomorrow and look for some, but this is what it is for right now. I think it's cute. It's a little something to be festive, but I'm still trying to get over whatever it is. I just feel real sluggish, but anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys come back for the next video, and I'll see you then. Peace out.